Hi everyone, this is Ted with the Holmes team at William Ravis Real Estate. Today I want to talk to you about the challenges of downsizing and why it could be the best decision you ever made. When downsizing, one of the first things that comes to mind is, what do I do with all my stuff? Your furniture in the space you live in now probably won't fit in your downsize space, and storage for all your stuff can be a problem. You're likely going to lose storage space. Also, downsizing might not save you money. Your monthly housing costs might not change, or they could be more. So if you currently have a low interest rate and you're not willing to trade for a higher interest rate, this is a common issue when considering downsizing. And of course, the process is emotionally draining. No matter what you think or expect, the process of packing and getting rid of things that might have sentimental value isn't easy. On the flip side, what are some reasons that downsizing could be the best decision you ever made? You want a simpler life, and it will make a simpler life. Once you go through the process of getting rid of all that stuff, cleaning, purging, and everything you have to deal with during this emotional process, you will realize less stuff, less clutter, and less costs. It will be a simpler life. You want to be closer to family. Not every decision has to be about money or possessions. If you want to be closer to your kids, this is all going to be worth it. Last, but one of the most important reasons, you either can't or you don't want to keep up with all the maintenance of your home. This is a key factor when considering a move or downsizing. Keeping up with your house is vital. If you can't make necessary repairs and maintain all the things that are going on with your home, it will decrease the value of your home. When you do decide to sell your home, it will be worth less because of the deferred maintenance you were not able to keep up with. So while downsizing has its challenges, it also can be one of the smartest and most rewarding moves you'll ever make. Thank you for taking a moment and watching this video today. If you're considering downsizing or have any other real estate questions, please contact Ted with the Holmes team at William Ravis Real Estate, and have a great rest of your day.